So there again with another exclusive update, right? As of share with you guys, my people. And of course, fam, on see the thumbnail and the title of this video, you're supposed to know what we are talking about. So right now, my people, Naya mother Sharonette confront Bobo Brawling, my people, which is Naya cousin, my people. And of course, Mama Sharonette no all but nothing my people. She talk up everything my people. And Bobo tell some whole heap of serious lie on the lady. Of course, we can get the lady in a problem my people. So right now, we don't go to much talking. I got to share some exclusive video clip with you guys, as I said earlier. So I want to make sure so I smash up the like button with the video and up to 1,000 likes quick and fast. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching the channel, and share up the video, make the video reach out on some other platform, and leave some thoughts down below in the comment section.
Which part you say you're going to the house from? The front or the back?
Yeah, just your man said that.
Remember your car will not shout.
I said at the back walk, we bring him a ring light. We pass TV and Naya for the light.
There's a video with Ima. I tell Ellen, you say you're coming to the house from the front. And find for the room where you're
Bring
going.
the pit to them. We bring the pit to them at the front. I lock the grill. And go back to the back, take up the ring light, and go straight in our house from the back.
You do blood clot like you're youth. One thing me I tell you is I keep looking my name out on the mouth. When I call me,
We never have your name in the remote yet in the charger. We never tell us you're not yet. Only thing you ever hear me say on the media, PV, you need to contact. Now that ever hear me say, PV, you need to contact. Yeah, because I still inside that man in the house today. And you decide that man. Hold on, you decide that man, I'm inside that house. So you need to contact. I only think that me say charger after you.
you don't know problem and run down hide.
Baba, knock in the house, in the living room, and Pee Wee going in the house, knock in there. So, you say knock in the studio, Baba?
In the studio, man, when PV come in the house, man, come on.
Bad man, when me run come in the house and they bathroom me out.
Man, in the studio, bro, you never going in the bathroom. PV, you never going in the bathroom. Stop telling me you never going in the bathroom. PV, you never going in the bathroom. If I witness in the house, can tell us, yo, you never go in the bathroom. Right, I'm mad, your job.
How far from my man do the bathroom?
Right, I bet. You bet the right side I do. Right, this is your job. Right, this is your contract. And I shake. PV, stop telling lie, youth.
One thing me I tell you, just want to.
PV, stop telling lie, my dog.
Yeah, if you stop
Simple as that, Batman. Stop telling lie,
when me still not understand, oh, you tell you, man say, cause boy dead 2 years ago and them style.
Hold on, you know, you clear up like a while ago. Listen, clear up like a while ago. Call it out, cuz, Sean Hype.
Yo, man, where man
say? I want to hear my youth.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo,
You listen, man. You know, you hear him again. Hold on, man.
We can't get that car.
You can hear him again. We call him man, cuz. The man here, Sean Hype. You see it? Sean Hype, the man here.
Hold on, let me sure I get the talk to Baba. All right, everybody knows. All right, let me sure I go on.
Baba.
Yeah, what you say? Good morning, mama. And good night.
Good night. All right, Mr. Them put up. This is what hurt me and have me thinking. When they put up Cosboy picture, and every time I listen, they talk about Cosboy, it's like a quelch down thing. I don't know for what reason, right? Even when Korma was saying, of course, that is Cos. Whether you call it,
Of course, yeah, of course, boy.
Which one do I know? Which one do I know? Which one I know?
Cuz, Sean Hype, cuz.
But when he comes down here, a Cosboy, me and Naya call him.
Cuz, you now call him, cuz.
I heard that was there, that circuit add up, and Korma was saying.
So when you add up the picture, we hear me say cuz. Don't. Me say cuz. Yeah, cause I call him man here, Sean Hype, then call him a road. Sean Hype, everybody know him as. Sean Hype, everybody know him.
You know what I know him as? Me know him as Cosboy, even when he come down here. I saw me know him as. But that is not the problem. The problem is when Korma was pointing, was saying he is a person, whether you call him Cosboy. Hold on, Baba, whether you call him Cosboy or you call. Whether you call him Cosboy or you call him Cos, him we know with Cos, whether the boy add on or the boy drop off. Right or wrong?
For you say so?
The problem is, remember who make me know it. Remember who make me know it. Well, at least we never know the name. Me not even know say in the name Sean, me know him as Cosboy. Because as somebody will come here. So me know him, so me know him.
So when Naya come there, when Naya forward there, you Naya call him Sean too?
No, me never really listen to his name, Sean. Me hear him say Cos. Me never hear him say Sean. Me never hear him say Sean. If he do, I don't.
Multiple times he said that.
Well, probably when we not out on the fence, but of course me hearing call.
He go up your yard, he call him see that. He go up your yard, he call him so. Up your yard, in your house, he must say
I am saying, Baba, I am saying, I know him as Cos and Cosboy.
You know him as Cos.
Know him as. And Cosboy, I know him as. If you call them and ask him about Cosboy. What me I trying to say, Baba, what I am trying to say is that was what I was looking at. When Korma himself, I know that person even more than I do. And it was like, no, it wasn't Cos or Cosboy. That had me thinking.
Pee Wee, since we are done on this Cosboy situation now, Cosboy step on for freedom, or
Yo, bad man, I'm on there free that cause boy, I'm telling you that. Man, they're free that cause boy. Bobo, self, but I know I'm free that cause boy. Number one. Cause boy, listen, see, cause boy, the 3 years ago, now, nothing to do this right now. Him know that. So the way him bring up all cause boy, him know that 3 years ago. Him know a cause boy, go on, I'm going like. You call a man, you say, go buy a game. They say, you just know that. You just know when he come up, I like my video with cause boy, him know that. You tell us what he has to talk to cause boy last week.
Bobo.
No man. Please don't fear that no man. Remember that.
Bobo. But me see when you come down here. And me, listen me to that. That's how personal can say this. And me and Naya, I'm not afraid to say this. Me personal say when you come down here with Cosboy and the car for move. Naya car for move. And the youth when you're black and he's a kind of cool youth. Him force to move here when my bike him now and move.
No, wrong. He was a black and he's that tried to move the car.
But the same black here, when the same black here one here.
Yes, so you have mixed up.
Alright, but he went a body up. Pussy water like in your back, lick it in the face. He was doing that and I was upset. Hold on, remember my son came inside and said to him, yo, cuz, I'm a mother this you know. Oh, you have to go out and disrespect in front of my mother. And him turn and say, hey, pussy water, hey, Naya, oh, just, mommy, sorry, lie me a tell, even the people in 2 million can't say that. You know? I'm here for the little youth. They didn't feel away.
That is how he stay. You don't
They didn't feel away for the little youth because that was a bully.
character, so just so he stay, look, fuck around and see, you see.
I say man I deal with Bobo them same way, bro. You see, me I tell you, I say man I deal with them.
Yeah, that is just his character. Simple as that.
I'm gonna go and cock up in foot in the front seat. I have them boys to stand up and I say,
I like
Like so what?
Okay.
You
know when you come
them man they run no. Them man they buy car.
can't run me, no. Man, I don't like that. No man can't run me.
And just kick up. You see,
No man can't run my head. I got to my head and man.
Naya alone could talk to him, you see, pray. Naya alone. That's why Naya take out bad man, all of them. That's why Naya take out, you know, cause boy, they want have a man be my wrecky, you know. You see it and I so come from there, so Bobo take side, you know.
Lie.
Boy,
You see, 3 wicked lie you tell. Yeah, you tell 3 lies.
wicked lie.
You tell lie. Me take up phone and dash your ring light. Me not gonna know when you're on your phone. That's a 1. You see it. Number 2.
Who take up your phone?
You don't hear me talk. Who take up your phone? You don't hear me talk. Who take up your phone?
I will release the video.
Me don't know nothing about the video. Nobody can ask me because I response in the camera.
Oh, you made by you not know not about.
I the man response to the camera don't come up on the live.
Well, who go talk to that man then? Me don't know nothing about that, so me can't
As like if you go talk to him, as like a family and family would have to get truth out of that. Me would have to get truth.
What me say? Me don't know nothing about no video. You can't ask me about a video because I don't respond to the camera.
Exactly. I'm saying as like if you go ask for that because if I see the family, me would have to get truth. I mean, I ask.
Yes, it's like if you go ask about that. So
I mean, you know, my family.
Man will have the video. I respond to the camera. It's simple as that. Don't. You can't ask
No,
me
because I tell you, say, if the video has released, then people could have seen because on the video, as you see, Bobo, you can see where actually 2 minutes has been cut out of it, and it has only shown just Pee-wee and the dog. You understand? So why only that part? That's what I am saying. And for me, talking about you, I am just saying that Bobo and I were so close, knowing that if you even tried to get to me one time and you did not, you could have tried again, Bobo, because you know, say, we good like that.
Hold on.
Even when you come up, you abide me.
Oh, you would have feel if you reach out to a person and you then get back to you and then you...
What time you reach out to me? Tell me what time you reach out to me.
Me not finish. Let me talk now. Oh, you would have feel you reach out to a person, you get to the person. Couple days after, you hear the person go live and a bag of people, they call your name, I try to bring you down and I say one bag of shit and say, Bobo for that, Bobo for this, Bobo for that. Oh, you feel like saying...
Hold on. You say you... Hold on. You reach out. So it was me who you reach out to and then the day after you hear me per live.
You say couple days down the line, me hear you and live.
How much days down the line? You know when we start to come on the live, when it come down to Naya funeral thing and the people them want to know. So that is months after Naya's death. And the time when you call me, hold on.
All right, one more thing.
Brother, hold on, brother. The day when you call me, how much days after Naya? How much days after Naya unalive you call me? Just a diamond call. Exactly.
Was it that like...
the phone call me. How much days after Naya unalive?
Was it that like a week after? I mean, if I have your number, so how me ever get you?
Oh, you get me number?
Let me get you. Was it my cousin phone who did you talk on?
Me don't know which number call me, Baba, come in and look for the idiot every time a diamond carry the phone call me.
Wasn't mine.
And then I'm
Put it for me to talk to you.
Let me hear your voice. In my head right now, me not even know which part, the part of my body there. That the time when me hear. But at the end of the day,
Didn't I tell you I was gonna come and look for you in December?
did you come?
I did not come because through the
And did
situation.
you call back? Okay, I understand. But did you call back to say, boy, I'm be sure that you know, say the people them are this and the people them are that. Nothing me not hear from you than a call, Bobo. Even when you come a funeral of the baby, me not hear from you. One thing me said to you, and you not said nothing more to me as your best cousin, mother. Me wrong? You expect me if you think, or you expect me if you feel, and tell me if you don't think, say me, I feel all different ways. Because in a few little community where you live, as you can hear, it is a dog and dog situation in there, so. Friend killer, everybody, so. We start pretty different.
Your time to talk, so my time to talk now. You see it? Respectable. I'm saying.
Bam, I go buy weed and I come back. And he send me go buy juice, me and his daughter. But he send me go buy weed already, you know. And I come back, you know, come sit down, you know, and then his daughter call him and say he want juice, you know. And then me go buy the juice, me and his daughter walk go buy the juice. You see me? Me no spend 5 minutes a shop. I go down there, me buy juice, me buy two craving, and then me buy double 7. You see it? Me no bother buy no juice myself, me put the bills in my pocket. You see it? And when me stay so and reach back up there, me and the dog, and Renaya go up on the veranda. And me and the dog, they sit down one place, same way. You see me and the live, I go and run to a match and stay so play one match with Dan Marie. We had pepper sauce and indeed they have one party. Then we had this man. The dog where man Naya did it on the live when the dog get on alive. We had this man and them have all some serious talk and me and say me not like how that they talk the son. That's it. So me I look and Naya said to me say, them boy are cartoon, you know. And me reply back to him and say, me no remember what me really said to him. You see, the dog said, me say something must be about a little bit. Or one of them sitting there. And the dog laugh. And then start gun argument and shot and something. And they sit down and me and hold the vibe. Bear in mind, but me I know say the youth are got dead. You see, and me I go shot 2 times for him. And go sit down back right side of him. You see? Yeah, man, I answer that question. You grew up with people like that.
Boring man, you slide me out, no, you didn't laugh, but when a man come bust it. Regular, me say that, regular.
No, bro, no, you can't say. You're right to say you grow with people like that, you know, dog, because it's possible people like that is dead, you see it, but me I know one of them the type of person that charge. You see it, if me hungry right now and that them and them can go link for $1,000.
But
You see it?
oh, me ever know that too, so you're the type of person. You can't know that, you know, dog.
No, but watch out, man. Listen me now. You come in a garrison, you know see me, you know see where I move no type of way, charge you on the dog like say, oh that hurt the dog bad man, you see say I love and loyalty, every minute you hear a dog call me name. You see, every minute you hear a dog ask you, here when you drop at Jamaica. And me and the dog the same place, the same day up. When we are go look for the land, where dog I tell us a village me there where you have to link up, me I go look for a piece of land.
But brother, you want your dog, you must push you out.
Huh?
But the whole of your dog, you must push you out though, bro.
Yeah, that's why you have to talk. Just have to talk what you say.
So me just sit around in the dog, and the whole of your man, you must push you out right now. I'm saying I need to bust now with that, just like when you say if you like that. Any play can play that.
That means still I try to show you say what you know. Them a do that for try cover up for them thing. Cause what you know. Remember, listen your mama sharing it, me I come to you. You see, them and Stain have one look with disagreement, dog. You see, with some gunplay. You see. Remember, bear in mind, me not dead, me not know nothing where I go on, me never dead there at the time. Me I know man ain't nothing charge because me is not a man we go stay sober, man. Show my uncle no deal with a man. Me not deal with him. And show my uncle want kill a man. Me I go want kill a man. No, me not program them the way they no boy can program me charge. You see it, I'm more, you listen me good. You see it. If me can dip on the lane and me here, boom, say to me, when me and dirt apart, say, oh, me I shot that boy day in the head. And me can go to dirt, I said to dirt, say, oh, dog, you know, say me just go down and say, go buy 2 juice to me, right? And a man I tell me, say, oh, man, shot you in your head. You see it? And me can call in name to him. You see it? You sure you say, oh, me and them the type of man there. Back of me or in front of me, dog, me no program them the way there. You see it? I hustling me deal with try to make money and try to line up my thing and try to build up my house and them thing there. Them the thing them and the dog they are pray. Yeah. You hear? And stay so bad. You see me? And me and the dog stay so bad, man, sit down. And the dog drink coffee and 7 more. And dash the buckle out this one. And we did the and that life stay same way so. Me and the dog are going now, man. When me stay so bad.
So what I'm
here sitting now.
before that, before you get to a part there, when it's out there, alright, you see, I want to explain to me in a context of every single